Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine compared to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires, 2-inch lift kit, premium leather heated seats, spray and bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling, cup holder stored in the bottom here, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, chrome accents. And on to the seats here, you're going to have these premium leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Left side you have your vents. Down below you're going to have your 2-in-4 drive, as well as your mode selector and your lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. The right side will be your voice recognition and odometer clutch control with 2 matte black paddle shifters right behind. For the odometer here, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your maintenance gauges, adaptive cruise, DEF fluid, all that fun stuff, and as well as music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start down there onto the infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Google Assistant and Maps as well. You can access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your front, rear, and hitch cameras, as well as the mirrors. Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa as well, and your trailering app. Down below, lane keep assist, as well as park assist, auto stop. You're going to have your hill descent control, as well as your rear lift gate. Down below, with your brake controller, you're going to have your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side. Center console, you're going to have the new shifter, cup holder, wireless charging pad, 2 USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Passenger side, manually adjustable, same finish, premium leather heated. Wooden chrome across the door, it's going to go across the dash as well. Speakers and vents up top with some storage behind the infotainment system here. And then you can access your OnStar, your reading lamps, and as well as your rear sliding window. Series blacked out 20-inch wheels on Bridgestone Dueler all-terrain tires. You're going to have your black Z71 badging, Duramax hood scoop there, the black mirror caps, and then the black keyless entry door handle. Of your Trail Boss badging in the back, and the black corner step bumper with the chrome dual exhaust, trailer hitch, 5th wheel just under, and with that easy lift tailgate here. You're going to have 2 LED lamps on each side with an AC wall charger on the bottom and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. We're going to have paneling storage on the bottom here next to speakers, power windows with the wooded chrome again. Top of the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side with rear cup holders, ventilation, and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right here. Storage behind the seats, storage under the seats, lamps at top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. Be checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as Bridgestone all-terrain tires, 2-inch lift, spray and bed liner, trailer brake controller, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.